Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in industries, from toy factories to airplane manufacturers? In this video, you will understand how industrial processes are amazing and how they affect our daily lives. And now, the future. An industrial process is a systematic series of operations for manufacturing materials. These operations can be mechanical, physical, or chemical. Think about the everyday items you use. They all go through a factory where industrial processes define the stages implemented to optimize production. Without proper processes, companies might face delivery delays and incur unnecessary costs. So, how are these processes set up for efficiency? A well-established industrial process is essential for the entire manufacturing chain to function correctly. Without the right processes, companies can experience product delivery delays and unnecessary expenses. Establishing efficient industrial processes is crucial for productivity and competitiveness. Imagine being able to deliver products faster and at a lower cost. That's the power of an optimized process. The stages of the industrial process vary depending on the needs and products. Generally, they include receiving and handling raw materials, conditioning, transforming, and converting raw materials into the final product. Each stage can have several complementary phases crucial for ensuring the product meets expectations. Let's break it down. From raw material to the finished product, each step is meticulously planned and executed. We can divide industrial processes into four main categories: continuous production, intermittent production, batch production, and discrete production. Continuous production. This operates 24/7, perfect for high-demand industries like automotive manufacturing. Intermittent production. Common in the food industry, it has variable schedules and can switch between products. Batch production. Based on demand, machines are reconfigured for different products, seen in pharmaceutical and textile industries. Discrete production uses assembly lines for unique items, such as shipbuilding, where each product may have different configurations. Managing industrial processes is crucial for efficiency. It involves planning, process mapping, testing, industrial maintenance, daily monitoring, KPI tracking, and continuous improvement. These steps help reduce errors, costs, and manufacturing time, optimizing production. Think of it as a well-oiled machine. Every part must work perfectly to ensure smooth operation. To keep up with technological advances, innovation is essential. Here are some key innovations. Digitizing processes. Transforming the factory into an Industry 4.0 improves decision-making by integrating equipment with the Internet of Things. Optimizing machine layout. Studying the best positions for machinery can significantly impact production efficiency. Implementing lean systems. Reducing waste in 7 areas: overproduction, waiting time, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, movement, and defects. Increases efficiency. Using management automation software. Tools like Strat integrate information and automate management, enhancing productivity. By implementing these innovations, your company can create and track KPIs, share information transparently, motivate and manage teams with meritocracy, use strategic planning methodologies, and integrate people, operations, and strategy. Continuous improvements ensure optimized manufacturing, keeping pace with technological advancements. Practical examples. Mass production in the automotive industry has revolutionized transportation by enabling vehicles to be produced faster and more cost-effectively. This breakthrough began with Henry Ford's assembly line, which drastically reduced the time and cost of producing cars. As a result, automobiles became affordable for the average person, transforming society by making personal transportation accessible to millions. Today, advanced automation and robotics further streamline the process, ensuring high-quality production at scale. This mass production approach has led to a wide variety of models and features, catering to diverse consumer needs and preferences. Moreover, it supports economies of scale, reducing manufacturing costs and allowing manufacturers to invest in innovation and safety features. The automotive industry continues to evolve, driven by continuous improvements in production techniques and technology. In the food industry, intermittent production plays a crucial role in ensuring the freshness and variety of the products we consume daily. Unlike continuous production, which runs 24/7, intermittent production allows for flexibility in manufacturing schedules and product types. This approach is essential for processing perishable goods, as it ensures products are produced and delivered in optimal freshness. For example, bakeries and dairy factories use intermittent production to adjust their output based on daily or seasonal demand, preventing waste and maintaining quality. This flexibility also allows food producers to respond quickly to market trends and consumer preferences, introducing new flavors and products efficiently. By aligning production schedules with supply chain logistics, the food industry can minimize storage time and maximize the shelf life of their products. Ultimately, this ensures that consumers have access to fresh, diverse, and high-quality food items. The integration of robots and artificial intelligence, AI, in manufacturing has significantly enhanced precision and efficiency, reducing human errors. Robots can perform repetitive tasks with high accuracy and consistency, ensuring uniformity in production. For example, robotic arms and assembly lines can install parts with exact precision, far surpassing human capabilities. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data to optimize production processes, predict maintenance needs, and prevent downtime. This technology also enables real-time monitoring and quality control, quickly identifying and addressing defects. As a result, manufacturers can maintain high standards while increasing output and reducing costs. The adoption of robotics and AI also allows for more complex and intricate manufacturing tasks that were previously impossible. These advancements not only improve productivity but also create safer work environments by handling hazardous tasks, thereby enhancing overall workplace safety and efficiency. Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, represents the digital transformation of manufacturing processes through advanced technologies. This concept integrates cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, IoT, and cloud computing to create smart factories where machines and systems communicate and collaborate in real time. Digitalization enables real-time data collection and analysis, leading to more informed decision-making and efficient operations. For example, sensors on machinery can monitor performance and predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Robotics, AI, and machine learning automate complex tasks, improving precision and reducing human error. Industry 4.0 also enhances supply chain management by providing greater transparency and responsiveness to market demands. This connectivity transforms traditional manufacturing into a highly adaptive and agile environment, capable of rapid innovation and customization. Ultimately, Industry 4.0 creates a more efficient, flexible, and competitive industrial landscape. Modern industrial processes are increasingly incorporating sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact and promote long-term ecological balance. One key approach is the recycling of materials, which reduces the need for raw resource extraction and decreases waste. For instance, metal scraps from manufacturing are melted down and reused, conserving energy and reducing emissions compared to producing new metals from ore. Additionally, industries are adopting lean manufacturing principles to minimize waste by optimizing resource use and improving efficiency. Energy-efficient technologies, such as LED lighting and high-efficiency motors, are being implemented to reduce energy consumption. Companies are also investing in renewable energy sources, like solar and wind, to power their operations. Water conservation techniques and the treatment and reuse of wastewater are becoming standard practices. Furthermore, sustainable supply chain management ensures that raw materials are sourced responsibly, considering the environmental and social impacts. These initiatives not only help protect the environment, but also often lead to cost savings and improved corporate reputation. A well-defined and managed industrial process is the backbone of efficient manufacturing. By understanding and implementing the stages and types of processes and embracing innovations, companies can stay competitive and productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.